Want to help me get my car out of the snow?
Why?
Because it's stuck.
You did that on purpose?
Well, I wanted to see if Leon could handle it. Apparently not. Just having fun, learning how to get out of a snowbank. I got it wedged in there. This tire won't even turn. Technique here is to hit the wood so it stops the tire from spinning. Okay, see that? Now, I'm gonna slide my leg on over, give it a little gas, and hope we don't run into the house. This is still the spinner. Okay. Okay. Nick. We'll check back in. I smell burnt rubber. If you happen to be stuck in a drift next to a house that has a garage door open, it's full of tools. Found a shovel that's about the size of a tire width, so I'm going to use that to clear out behind the back tires. Still got to figure out how to get that tire to land on that piece of wood. I may have to lift it up because everyone carries a jack with them. Get some wood under there. See what happens. Jack in hand, I'm going to lift the car up, put the wood underneath the tire. Okay, moved it about a foot. The problem seems to be that I'm still stuck in the snow. I think I'm sharpening my tires for